you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got one sent by Mr. Saturn from Instagram. It's Nissin Lamen Frango Assado con Toque Limao. Toque de Limao. So it's basically roasted chicken with a hint of lemon. But it sounds like, I mean, look at that. That's like freaking romance language right there. That Portuguese, that's rad. There's like all these romance languages. I don't even know if Portuguese is considered one of those. I know, what's a cool language? Catalan. Catalan is a neat language. The Portuguese is cool too. Anyways, roasted chicken. A little bit of lemon in it. Let's do this. So, noodles. Oh yeah, I'm going to tell you in this episode, 3 minutes, what my new deal is and why I'm kind of like jazzed. Do we put the sachet? No, we put the sachet in at the end. Oh, and it was 450 mils of water. Here's the sachet. So, as y'all know, I'm shrinking. This is a big shirt now. I love this shirt though. It's kind of hard. A lot of my clothes just don't fit anymore. Not because they're getting small, but they're growing. We have this thing here that like clothing grows in the city of Kenmore. Go and take your nap, kid. She's gonna get all mad. I'm not gonna get all my stuff done. Giving this stuff a stir. But yeah, so I get up at 3 in the morning, 3:30. I think today it was 3:23 a.m. my alarm went off. Got 3 reviews all ready to go. And then I do apartment labs. Well, I started a week or two ago lifting these little 2.5 pound weights. So every time I'm walking, well, they've gotten really easy to do. Like I can do 2.5 hours of doing that. It really doesn't bug me too. No, wait, not that much. Like 70 minutes till it starts kind of getting slightly irritable. So I went to the store. I don't know, are these purple or pink? I don't know. Got these Pro Form 5 pound weights. Yeah! So I just go, a whole bunch. And then, my brother was saying he doesn't like these, but I really wanted to give them a try, so I decided I would. So this thing, you wrap it around your ankle, and it's 2.5 pounds of weight. Boy, I could see why people might not like them, because it totally messes with your equilibrium, but once you get in sync with it, it's good. But I decided, I mean, I could have kept going, but I decided to do like 400 laps of that. I did 200 laps of the heavier weights, because those did start to get on me real quick. And then did a bunch more of the half the weight ones. But once I did 400 laps with the weighted ankle things, and then I took them off. Oh my god, I felt like I could fly. It was crazy. And they've got like, those are 2.5 pound, and they also had like 5 pound and 10 pound ones. I'm like, that's gonna be crazy, because it felt like it was pulling on like further up my leg, like even in my butt. So it's probably gonna work more muscles and stuff. I don't know. I really don't know any of this stuff. I know lifting heavy objects repeatedly is generally a good way to do things, I guess. I get a lot of people saying things like, oh, you need to be careful, you could injure yourself. It's like, if it really hurts, I'm not gonna continue to do it. That, and I had one of my, what do you call it? One of my Bang Keto Coffee crazy, insane insanity. It's like it's so freaking. I don't know. I've heard often that people that are like really into like working out and stuff, kind of, I don't know. I'll just say it. Aren't the brightest people in the world. I don't know if that's true, although I seem to be misplacing things a lot lately. I just dropped an egg on the floor. That was in the last episode. If you look at the episode with the previous number, just go onto YouTube, search the channel, type in that number, one less than the number at the end of the title of this one. That's -1. And do that, and you can watch me and how the episode turns from a regular episode into the cursing episode, which there's always a cursing episode every once in a while. I have to have it. I mean, just the mere fact that there's a real thing with YouTube on how things have to be a certain way to get more people to watch me and for advertisers to like it more. It's basically saying, if you don't do what we tell you to do, you won't be accepted and you'll be an outcast and you'll be different and weird and people won't like you and you're going to die lonely and unhappy. And to that I say no. I do things in a certain way that has kind of a formula to it, but I'm more than happy to like for example, no, I'm not gonna spend like $800 on a frickin' mixing board so I can have music going, line in and all that, when I can have a $20 frickin' Bluetooth speaker playing in the background of my little 360 cam, which is probably another thing you're not supposed to do. I mean, it's fucking ridiculous. That's what it is. And you're not supposed to do that. So, but yeah, I think they talk all about how all this stuff is for creators and people to be creative, but there's like all these things constant. It's like creators info, blah 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 of the week, and it's like you want creators, but you don't want creativity. And I think that's kind of a sad narrative on society today, and the way it's kind of been for a while. It's like, I don't understand that. You're weird. I don't get you. I don't know. Broth. God, that's fascinating. I would love to get a sachet of that. And this is something you can do with instant noodle seasonings, by the way. Would love to get that sachet and get like a chicken breast or a couple pork chops or something, and just like rub it all over the place. Just rub it every night. Rub it up. That would be super good on chicken. However, that's not what I used on this chicken. But I got some chicken today. And I don't know, what do we got on the package here? We got chicken. Well, we've got chicken on the side with the lemon. I wish I had a lemon, but I'm gonna go with spring onion and coriander on this one. There's coriander. Spring onion. You don't need to be sticking your stick up in the air like that, coriander. Come on, coriander, who do you think you are? think that might be that. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Ah! Alright, well that's the third one of the day. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Please subscribe. Yeah. If you like Brazil, check out Sepultura. Peace.